Magandang umaga po. Good morning, my friend. Welcome to another day in the beautiful, beautiful Philippines. We are in Tagbilaran and we're going to go for an adventure today. Some modern city life, some island life, try some local food, some local snacks, and see some pretty interesting animals. I'm in my favorite hostel here in Tagbilaran. It's my second time here. Absolutely love the place. Very nice. And yeah, let's jump on a scooter and get this adventure started. Oh my goodness, I forgot how different it is driving in a city. Tagbilaran, I think, is maybe the biggest city in Bohol, or maybe the busiest because of the port. I don't know what it is. Hey, these are the kind of roads that I like. Look at this. Greenery all around us. No traffic. This is freedom. When I first came to Bohol, I was like, nah, I don't really want to go to some sanctuary or zoo or whatever. It's unnatural. If I want to see an animal, it's going to be I would rather see it in the nature. But Tarsiers are nocturnal animals, which means they sleep at night. So they sleep in the daytime, they hunt, and they're active in the night. So you're not going to see them. So I thought, okay, let me find a place that is not exploiting the animal, that doesn't just take them and place them somewhere so they can make money. And I found this place. Okay, so it was very cool to actually see them. They are tiny. I think one eye socket is smaller than their entire brain. But they are like super, super, super small, very cute. This is not, they haven't taken them from the wild and set up like a zoo. This is their natural captivity. And they've set up like a tourist thing around it, which still is not great. But yeah, very cool to see and learn about them. But say if they were taken out of here, they'd only live for like 1 month or a few weeks outside of their natural captivity. Whew. Hello. Hello. Kamusta? Do you have any vegetable?
This one's it.
Oh yeah, good. There we go. Got some red rice and vegetables. Yes, enjoy. I think bean sprouts, carrots, lettuce, lots of goodness. Mmm. 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 Almost everywhere in the Philippines is like mostly pork, chicken, some beef. But if you're vegetarian, like me, you can find some options. And it's very good. Masarap, salamat. It's how much?
40 sir.
40 pesos. It's very tasty.
What's that?
Very good.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Oh man, I love going to places like that. I think it's called a carinderia, right? A Spanish word. Basically, it's like a small little family-run restaurant. I really love that. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, that's another thing I love about this country, man. I thought Vietnam loved karaoke the most until I came to the Philippines. But it's not just karaoke. Everybody, whether they have a good voice or not, will be singing. Not everybody, but many people. At any time, like I love that. I love that. They're just expressing themselves. And the more you're around people like that, you know, they're very extroverted. Many people come over to you, talk to you. It brings that part of me out, if that makes sense. Like I find myself now singing in the middle of nowhere. Hello po.
Malunggay Bandisot. Bandisot. Malunggay Bandisot.
It's Marunga. Right, Marunga.
Malunggay Bandisot.
Can I try one, please? Can I try one?
Bandisot. Malunggay Bandisot. Bandisot. Malunggay Bandisot. Bandisot. Malunggay Bandisot.
Thank you. Salamat.
Bandisot. Malunggay Bandisot.
I caught that guy just in time. He just drove off. But I've seen these around the Philippines. but I've never tried one. And this is one is made with moringa, so let's try it. Oh, it's good. There's cheese inside also. And that was 5 pesos. And you see it everywhere, like I said. Many of the carts drive around. It's so warm. Wow, that's such a nice surprise. Oh, okay, let's get a coffee. Looks like a nice little spot actually. You see. Magandang umaga. Kamusta? Do you have a menu? Oh, right here. I think, could I just get a Americano, please?
Hot or ice?
Iced, please.
What size, sir?
Small. Wow, it's so fancy. To be fair, all the coffee I've had in the Philippines is actually very good. I don't know, I think it does grow north of Manila in Buson, I think, where Apawang is. I think that some grows there, but maybe most of it is imported and like, I don't know the process. But it's good, I like it, and I really like this place. People are very friendly, it's like, yeah, sometimes I did put into Google Maps another shop, but I was just driving and I see this side, okay, let me pull over. Okay, and it's incredible, so. Thank you. You have a tip jar? Ah, yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. You know, where does the coffee bean come from? You know which country?
It's native, sir. Here in Sikatuna.
Yeah, from Bohol or from...
Sikatuna.
Ah, okay. Oh, it's very good coffee. Very nice taste.
Pure Robusta.
Okay, Robusta. Okay, wow. Yeah, very nice. Okay, magandang araw. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Okay, what a nice place. I'm glad I found that. En route to Panglao. Now let's go. Hello. Kamusta? Mabuti. Petrol, please.
Premium.
Not premium, just
Regular.
regular.
Full tank, sir?
Maybe just 150.
150.
Yes.
Going to Hinagdanan?
Yeah, maybe.
Panglao.
No, I come from Tagbilaran.
Tagbilaran.
But what do you think? It's nice to go to the cave?
Yeah,
Or
very nice.
beach is more nice? Maybe both.
Maybe.
Cave then beach. Okay.
Cave then beach.
Cave then beach. Good. Perfect. Salamat. Ooh, okay, we enter into the belly of the cave. And I've got to say, this is the first time I've been somewhere in the Philippines, which is very touristy. Like, you park your bike and there's many people selling things and whatnot. Look at this. Wow. And we can also swim inside. I think you had to pay extra. But it's worth it. It's a hot day. Wow. A lot of light in here. And again, you see all this little crystalline, actually, no, it's just wet. Ignore me. You can see how cool the structures are, and even the water, all the light coming through there, very blue water. And yeah, we paid to swim, so there's only one thing to do. Honestly, so much fun. I think I must be like part fish because I love the water. If you did a DNA test, I'm sure some fish would be in there. And the guy told me it's like 400 to 600 years old. And I heard another guide come in and say that it's also healing water for arthritis or body ailments. So if you need some healing, come to this cave. See, man? So this is the Alona beach area, which you can see so much development, like so many shops. You know, you see Dunkin' Donuts, they've just built a KFC, Jollibees, all of this stuff. And it reminds me that I have the same feeling as when I was in like Seminyak, or I don't know Seminyak, but many of the places in South Bali. Like it's, you see everything is concrete. Hello po. Kamusta? Mabili po buko. Buko, 50. Can I have one, please? Oh, look at all this. Mangosteen. Pomelo, maybe? Oh, papaya. Oh, this is heaven. Look how much beautiful fruit there is. Coconut dance, coconut dance, coconut dance. Oh, that's the good stuff. They buy many. Korea?
Korean.
Korean.
You like
Huh?
mangosteen?
Mangosteen is very good. They like mangosteen, I see. Oh, look at that. So all of that, what, half a kilo of mangosteen, one papaya and a coconut, 300 pesos. I'm gonna try one of these. We'll get to the beach and we'll try one. Ooh la la. Just got out of the ocean. Just look at the water. Oh, the Philippines is a special place, man, for sure. We've got the fruits ready to try. Don't want to get any sand on it. Have you been to the beach and had like, oh, sandy sandwiches? Oh no, man, not good. So it's these white flesh. Man, if you've never had mangosteen, it is truly a very unique fruit. So let's see. So they kind of come out in sections, if you can see. Perfectly ripe. Oh my gosh. That is perfect. So sweet. Won't find this in Tesco or Sainsbury's or Asda, mate. So you see that? Pretty much like a lychee. Okay, I've just teleported back to the hostel. And yeah, my battery died, so. But I really have enjoyed today. Just going around, just exploring, stopping off at different places, having food, having coffee. This is what travel is. And yeah, it's a pleasure to bring you along for the journey. Thank you so much for watching, as always, and I will catch you in the next one. See ya.